Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on this Jeep here. This Jeep is owned by Sonny and it has 95,000 miles, correct?
Yes, sir.
95,000 miles. So we're gonna install a lift kit. The Jeep actually came with the rough country lift kit, so he said let's throw it on. Why not? The only thing we're not installing is the track bar drop bracket. Other than that, we're gonna get started working on it.
Well, we're trying to get these sway bars off here. This sucker's on there pretty darn good though.
It's giving you some trouble.
Well, I'm not a big fan of crescent wrenches.
Nice. Next thing you want to loosen up is the shocks. And then that'll give you enough leverage to remove the spring.
Quick little tech tip. You want to always put your bolts back into the hole. So
that way you don't forget where they go. Alright, so on this side, they disconnected the lower control arm, the shocks, and we're going to disconnect the shocks from the inside of the engine bay down here. And that should give us enough room to be able to lower the axle. We have it on a jack, and we can remove the spring. Okay, so I'm going to step on it, and then you can just take it out. Ready?
Take the shocks?
Yeah. No, the
spring.
The spring. The shock too.
Spring.
The shock too.
Yeah. One. And this.
Yeah, you can take it out.
There you go.
There we go. Now, let's actually check under here. Yeah.
Check the rest.
Yeah. Oh, that's not bad.
Everybody has the rest.
Yeah, I didn't want to look at my side over
That's
there.
still good. We took out the front lower control arm, and we're gonna replace it with the rough country. This is the rough country kit, so it comes with a drop bracket here, and this goes like this, in there, and then hooks up back here to a nut. Okay, and then the stock bolt, where is that at?
For
The upper control arm. So that's what the drop bracket is supposed to look like. Yeah, we're not to loosen this one up here. So to get the lower control arm to line up, you do want to loosen up the upper control arm first. That way you can actually push the axle forward and twist it. So we're hooking up a ratchet strap along the axle and connecting it to the sway bar to try to pull the axle forward so we can line up this lower control arm. Go. 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 Still need like half an inch. All right, so we put the lower control arm with the drop bracket. Everything's loose for the moment. We're not gonna tighten anything up until it's on the floor.
There you go.
We used a ratchet strap and then some manpower too. These guys, they're dropping the Jeep. Anyways, we got it all in there. Next, we're gonna put the spring in and then the shock.
I would probably put the other control arm in first.
Oh, actually, you're right. Yeah, you're right. We'll do the other control arm. We got the lower control arm on this side as well with the drop bracket. Now he took off the bump stops. We're gonna put on the bump stop extensions. And those you just take off the bolt and put in the spacer by Rough Country. And that's pretty much it, really. Time for the springs. This one off. We're gonna place them on the springs. Let's see. Be like that.
Oh, I see. There's a little notch here.
Yeah,
that's,
a little notch
where
right
it's
there.
stuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Same thing with the bottom. You see the little dot right there?
Okay.
That's.
Ah, I see.
You push it in, okay? Hold the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? It's not lifted enough, huh?
Nope.
Let me lift it a little bit more. Be careful. I'm gonna step on it.
Just don't push this way.
All right.
It looks like
There we go. That's it.
So they'll adjust itself.
Yeah. Once you
Okay.
put weight on it, it'll push up. So.
I see.
So since we lifted the other side up, we have to use coil compressors on this one, or you can take off the track bar and it should work too.
Make sure you, when you're tightening these, that you go alternate a little bit at each time, and so you keep them even.
yeah, that's the problem.
Ready? 3, 2.
It's in. Sheesh. So now you can twist it to where you need it.
So the Jeep, we have the front end lifted. As you can tell, there's a lot more room in the wheel well. These are still the stock tires. The other tires we have, they didn't fit because they're hub centric, and the hubs on these are way bigger. So for now, it's gonna have those tires. Later on, it'll get different ones. And for today, we are done. The jacks that we have and the jack stands aren't big enough for the rear, so we're gonna bring some next time and do the rear. But what do you guys think about the front rough country kit with the lower control arms? So that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it helped you guys out with your lift kit. Don't forget to check out najaroffroad.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.